Hi, I'm Scarlett White, and we're in my apartment right now, and I'm going to talk about some of my favorite things. Okay, so this is my Lou Reed poster. I really love Lou Reed. He's one of my favorites. This is my mom's friend Dustin Yellen painted this, I believe. It's his cat, Pookie. Everything has a little story to it. Like, this used to hang in my childhood home. I love the Marx Brothers. That's one of my childhood favorite comedy groups. My favorite is Harpo because he played the harp. I love the film Paper Moon. It's one of my favorites. I have all my books. I'm not the biggest reader. I don't want to fib. But I have aspirations to be a reader. I'm very into like philosophy. I've discovered I just read The Stranger by Albert Camus, and I really loved it. And I've been chipping away through Crime and Punishment. I also really just love like classic literature, like Penguin Classics. I also just have cute coffee table books. Daniel Johnston's such an important artist to me, and he did a lot of really cool sketches and drawings. I've got my vintage lingerie hanging here. I'm also just obsessed with pinup girls in general and that kind of vibe. I kind of makeshifted a curtain because I just haven't bought curtains, which I've been meaning to do. Just over here I've got cute stuff, like got my mom and my dad and a little keepsake thing. It's super cute. And all my stuffed animals. My roommate made this for me. Her name is Miloskanisha. It's a combination of me and my girlfriend's names, and she's so cute. She's very like rickety, but I love Miloskanisha. I've got my Snoopy. I love Charlie Brown. Just a lot of random cute stuff. I love having like a ton of shawls everywhere. It took forever to pin all of this up. I think it worked out. It's kind of cute, like messy, whatever. I've got a bunch of different posters and pictures on my wall. It's kind of just like a testament to everything I really love. At the top, I've got this Jim Morrison poster. I've got a bunch of Polaroids and photo booth photos of my family and stuff like that I just had from home. When I was in Japan, I picked up a bunch of random pictures of people and their cats, so I put that on my wall. I've got a bunch of Stephen Meisel pictures of Linda Evangelista and all of his like fashion editorial photography, my friends, my family, my Frank Zappa poster. I love Frank Zappa. I've had that poster for years. I got it in Nashville. Okay, so we're moving on to clothes. I am a big clothing shopper. I love to buy vintage clothes and stuff like that. One of my favorite pulls I've gotten recently, I got this at 9th Street Vintage. It's this like bootleg Lou Reed shirt. I know we've already talked about Lou Reed, but this just goes to show my obsession. But I love it. And on the back it says break shit, which I love. Another vintage t-shirt I've got, another music vintage t-shirt. It's this Patti Smith shirt. Super cool. I don't know if it's legit or not either, or whatever, but I love the colorway. Just simple, says Patti Smith. You get the message, but super nice. This is my Vanity, and this is my Bjork poster. I tore that out of one of my mom's old fashion magazines, and she's been through quite a lot. I've stuck her in my college dorm. She's made its way to my apartment. I love hoop earrings. That's always like my baseline. I'm wearing some hoops right now. This is one of my favorite eBay finds. It's like a sterling silver bracelet. I believe it's like Hindu gods and goddesses on it. It's really beautiful. It's like my hand cream. I got this in Portugal. It's like, it's supposed to smell like this cherry liqueur. It's really delicious. And what else? Oh my god, these are my favorites. The Girthers, like lozenges. Like, I always pick that up when I see them in the wild. Definitely recommend. Okay, so my favorite scent has always been Nog Champa. It's divine. You can't smell it, but maybe you can smell it through the camera a little bit. I think if you're cleansing a space, you're supposed to go clockwise or something, and to bring good vibes in, you do counterclockwise. I don't really know what I'm talking about, but I've been wanting to learn the mandolin, so I got this mandolin recently. It's really beautiful, and I'm not very cracked yet, but I really want to get good at like a bluegrassy riff, or at least just like one song like soon. So I've been just working on that privately. I love my mandolin. She's beautiful. I think it sounds gorgeous. And like my Nashville roots, like I love country and I love bluegrass stuff. So, and then I've got this guitar that my dad got for me. It's made out of oak, which is very atypical for a guitar, and it's from 1908. She's very beautiful, has no name, but I love her so much. I think another one of my biggest obsessions is just music in general. So I'm just gonna go through like some of the things I've been listening to. Got my Spotify, link in bio, follow me. Lately I've been like trying to listen to more albums and stuff like that. There's like a website you can like Google, I forget what it's called, but you can listen to like a randomly generated album like each day, which I've been hitting a few times. Like I listened to like Van Halen's album the other day, and then like it recommended a Bruno Mars album. So just things that I wouldn't necessarily listen to in full. But I also just make a lot of playlists. Like right now I'm trying to make my birthday party playlist, which is always hard with parties because I never know what vibe everyone else is on. Because I'm usually like Talking Heads, like David Bowie, but I also do want to throw in some people pleasers. But what have I been listening to? So much Television, like the band Television. I really love Richard Hell. Been listening to the Ramones a lot, Sonic Youth, Nirvana. I love Melvins, but I'm also a big Cramps fan. I love the Cramps. I love Poison Ivy from the Cramps, and the B-52s as well. Madonna. I love Madonna so much. That's kind of what I've been into lately.